when this problem had started, when Madam had consulted me and she told me about it, I supported the cause, and I have also spoken to many people who are being affected. So I feel when the people who are affected are not coming forward, so who will come forward now?
So
This is my question.
Yeah.
Now, I saw the thing which had come on the Herald. There was nobody who's consulted me, neither the MLA nor anybody. But I've been given to understand there are meetings going on elsewhere. But in Consortium there is no. Gone to CM and all that. After that, what has happened, Madam has not informed us anything about it.
Are you happy with the present situation?
I am not happy with the way things are functioning. Panchayat is kept out of it. So now what do we do? The MLA is not told us anything. Only she called me when the day when we had gone to CM's office. After that, no sign of what has happened. Panchayat of Consortium is totally in the dark, except
We were opposed, and we have taken even a resolution in the Gram Sabha to oppose that thing. But since then, nobody is coming forward. 1 and 2% cannot oppose anything, because see, we have so many people affected. Even they are just keeping quiet. So what we can do? That alliance, I don't know, is not coming because they are more affected. But they are not coming forward anything. Only other things they just do it. Now, we are totally ignorant about the meetings which they are having, where they are having. We don't know anything. So what I'm saying, so we are just without any knowledge what is happening in this village, except what is our panchayat is functioning on a low profile.